In this video, we want to find an angle in a triangle using sine law. As you can see, we have a triangle. One angle and the opposite side is given. One side is given and the angle opposite to it is wanted. What are we gonna do? First, we're gonna label our triangle. I'm gonna call this angle A, this side small a. I'm gonna call this small b and call this capital B. As you can see, if I write it down, since I have these, I have A and A, B, and B is missing, I can create a ratio and I can definitely use sine law for it. So to use sine law here, I'm going to say A over sine A equals to B over sine B. A, which is 303 over sine 47, is equal to 197 over sine B. We do know what sine 47 is. I'm going to put it in my calculator. 47 sine. So we're going to rewrite 0.7313. And we do have 197, right? So we can find that one. How? Cross multiply and divide. So I'm going to multiply that into 197 and then divide it into 303. And the answer is, let's do it once more, 0.7313 times 197 equals to, and then we divide it into 303. The answer is 0.4754. What is that? That is sine B. So I realized that sine B equals to 0.4754. I wasn't looking for sine B, I was looking for B. How do I find B? When we have the sine of an angle, we use the sine inverse function on the value and we get the angle. So for this, for me, sine inverse is above sine, so I go shift, sine inverse. So sine inverse of that, B is 28.38. So there we go, we found B, 28.38. That's what the question wanted, so I'm not going to go any further, but I just wanted to remind you that once we have two angles, we can easily find the third one. You know what? What if we let's find angle side C as well. So now that we have B as well, which is 28.38, we can easily find angle C. So let's find that as well. Plus 47, subtract that from 180, that's 104.62, right? So we do have angle C as well now, which is fantastic. If we have the angle, we can now find the side. Really doesn't matter which ratio I use. I can use A and sine A. So we're going to go A over sine A equals to C, which is missing, over sine C. So A, 303 over sine 47 is C over sine, what was C? 104.62. I'm going to write down the values, 303 over Sine 47, we had already calculated that. I'm just going to go copy it. Equals to. C is missing. Sine 104. Oh, we had, no, we didn't. Sine 104. So 104.62. Press sine for that. 0.9676. We always write down the signs up to 4 decimal digits. To find side C, cross multiply and divide. Multiply that into 3 or 3 and divide it into 0.7313. 400. That's 400. So C is 400. And as we can see, I could find all the 6 measurements in a triangle.